All right, YouTube, so we have the bars that's gonna connect to the Maven mounts right up in there. And we also have this side here. So that's exactly how it's gonna be. All right, YouTube, as you can see, I got it tacked in here and right there. I also have this side tacked in and in there tacked in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the turbos, focus. I'm gonna take the turbos off and take out the core support and get a little bit more weld on them, and that'll pretty much be all. All right, YouTube, so I removed the turbos. I need to go ahead and weld this a little bit more at the bottom. I got a little bit at the top, but that ain't gonna hold. And I also need to weld these out more. Got a good one on that one, but I need to go around the whole thing, so I'm just gonna take the core support out so I can weld around each one of them. Okay, YouTube, so now we have the cross member out. And I went ahead and welded the mounts a little bit more. They're very rugged. I could probably place the turbos back on there, but I just need to weld out the rest of these here. And then I'll be putting it back in there. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, this is the finish of the turbo Maven mounts welded on. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna install this cross member after the paint dries, because I was painting it. So I have to wait till the paint dries, but I'll make sure I got every spot on the cross member this time, because I painted it before and I didn't get all the spots that I needed to. So this is how it looks. I still have to install the O-rings back in them. I removed them when I was welding because the mounts get very hot from welding. And so what I did was I pretty much just covered up the Maven mounts with tape when I went and painted them. I thought about putting a bar to go across here, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because there's really no purpose to. This is plenty strong. So, yep. So I'll put you guys back on once I get it installed. Okay, YouTube, so as you can see, we have the radiator support, the core support, back in the car. Just like this here. So, and also make sure the turbos were leveled with each other as far as the opening. So as you can see here, the turbos are leveled with each other. So again, what I was saying before was I'm gonna wire these into a 4-inch. They're gonna bend here, come up, and go into the intake. And for the exhaust, thinking about going at it like this. That's 3-inch pipe also. So I'll have that go up like that. And it'll be on both sides, but I only have one piece right now for that. So that's how it may look, or I might do something different. And then for the wastegates, I want them to come off here and be in this area here, or I may have them turn and come over here, and then the downpipe, the wastegate pipe go down. And I'm also going to do that on this side too, so either have it come curl this way and the wastegate pipe go down, or it'll be coming straight out where that you will see the wastegate through here and through there.